I'm in the United States more than 9 years. And more than 9 years, I on the pending asylum status. Nothing happened with my immigration case. I still have no green card. And the Trump administration right now created new gold visa, gold card for $5 million. Such of the thing, I understand what there is many people who can buy this $5 million card. But in my opinion, people like me bringing more value to the United States because they are creating such of the nice companies, they are creating jobs. Moreover, I would like to tell you about the taxes we paid by the employees and the employer taxes in these years, which is overall became to $7.3 million paid taxes. Why USCIS would qualify people who are creating the companies, who are bringing the value and economical growth to the United States to quicker qualify for be a permanent resident.